This is our back garden. Ready? Ooh, cows. We're off to Ilfracombe. Dropping Freddie off first at the kennels though.
Thank you. Bye.
Don't like dropping Freddie off, do we?
No, I hate it. Really.
Arrived at the house, very nice indeed. Just watched the end of the Murray match, I think.
Once you on, once you off.
Very nice house. Look at this. Off to Ilfracombe today. Weather's not great, but we're gonna go and check it out, see what it's like. Been doing some skateboarding in the garden this morning. That's what Devon's about, folks. Quick tour upstairs. This is our bedroom. Number of other bedrooms. Won't go into them. There's people in them. Just got down to the harbour at Ilfracombe. The very famous Damien Hirst statue there. Controversial, I believe. So this is Ilfracombe behind me. Very nice location. Lovely little scenery there. Nice landscape. And just here we have the Damien Hirst famous statue. Which, if I go take you to the other side now, is quite interesting. Yeah, I forgot to show you the other side of her, which is a slightly more interesting side. Maybe the bit that's controversial. I'm coming again! The modern mode of transport in Ilfracombe. Nice little harbour.
Too cold? It is a bit cold in there, isn't it?
Hey, the seaweed was attached to my feet.
Oh, it's all slimy. Oh, slimy. Go this way.
Good flower.
Run faster than me.
Pardon?
Good flower.
Thank you.
What are you going to draw now?
Smiley face.
I could give it a go before. These look amazing.
It's not very good.
That says your name.
Did you draw that? Oh. Pulling this baby boarding. Look at the size of this sea. Ilfracombe breeds them big. TripAdvisor #1. Super cool. Love this place. Very summery. Yes, could I have the crab salad as well.
Yeah.
With 35 as well. Comfortable? Yeah? Cool.
Okay. He's doing acrobats.
Thank you. It's amazing.
He's doing acrobats.
That's perfect. So I've gone for the crab salad. Amazing.
Oscar, I think you like this.
And dirty fries. Oscar, do you like crab? Do you like crab? No. Is that nice, Oscar? No. Is it your favourite of the day? Oscar, do you like it?
Stop vlogging me, Daddy.
Can highly recommend this place. Can I have it? Yes. Daddy's. Isn't it? Daddy's. Yes. Daddy's. 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 Please. 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 Thank you. Thanks, guys. Really good. Black Sands Bistro. Lovely. Hi, Liz.
Hi. Don't worry, I got the baby.
Okay, she's got the baby.
Baby.
This place does dog ice lollies or ice creams. Amazing. If only Freddie was here with us. Damien Hirst's shop. Criteria. I'm guessing this is his cafe. The key.